evening, everyone. Just a look at the data that came out on Friday. Euro FX non-commercials, which is what we need to focus on because they're the bank and institutions. The Euro FX has gone negative, so we're in positive for a long time, and we've just flipped over to negative. It looked like it was going to do that anyway, and that's just confirmation on Friday. So we're negative 22,000 contracts, and the dollar is rising, as you can see, right? So we go to non-coms, and there's the Euro FX going into negative. So that's the zero line, and we're crossing below, and we could continue, basically. And I just noticed that we can change the drop down on here, so we don't actually have to change the fields on the tabs. We can just go to this. So I'll show you pound. Pound is the blue, so it's negative, and euro is negative. That's going to help the dollar. We'll go to the Aussie. If it gets a bit too much, then there's Aussie. Down we go. And we'll do Kiwi. This is quite cool, really. It's very, very good. And also thanks to Christian for doing this. It's really awesome. And looks like the Kiwi has it capped, and that was possibly the top. If you look left, there'd have been some resistance, okay? And that was the last week that we had. So it looked like we had the RBNZ interest rate decision, and you noticed that it did fall, which is a bit strange, but it's possibly to do with the non-coms positioning, and they knew it already anyway. And so that's that. So it doesn't need to be a long video, just strong dollar, and everything else is weakening. And perhaps a good one to look at is the Kiwi. So if we see weakness in the Kiwi, it's going to possibly, it'll bode unwell, it'll bode badly for the rest, because that's quite strongly positive. But if that was the top, then we can see some weakness in the others, because they already are weak already, and especially the euro, because we're going straight into zero. And so that's that. Doesn't need to be a long video. So signals went very well. We had a great result on the Euro Aussie and Pound USD. The prior week we had great success on the Kiwi USD, and so hopefully, fingers crossed, we have another good week on signals. So I'm going to publish something with a dollar cross, but I don't know yet, so I do need to do some research. So leave that with me, and I'll be back to you guys Monday, Tuesday with the signal, and I'll speak to you soon.